Hello Rookie Rabbit Miners. Hari ni video ngan pensyai shupi. Hari bat kapor jong ka eligibility period. Kebapi haban pendep no. Ti kadi ka khobor ko basotanat shangi ki miners bro khoj hakban ngaleng jong ka Rookie Rabbit community kala ai por biang sa arp so kanta bengin pendep ya gani ka task kata ka eligibility task hakba pin haban yai na por Rookie Rabbit pin transaction hadin ba phila dep transaction kumud kala biang ti ya gitu ki miners ki bala dep ban transaction ong epi wat nom ki kuslai kala biang wi kum tu yai ap baju airdrop hande ya gitu ki minus ki bom pat pendep ya ka transaction le no mentahi nomor kadang don por saat sau benta ko mu chisingi so page hani ka importance update hani ko ngom ni the eligibility period has been extended by only 24 hours due to numerous user requests komut na ka daw jong ka jing request jong ki users ki bom pat la ban transaction de kala ipor yang saat so pata nagal yang jong ka Rookie Rabbit community. So if you already become eligible, so there's no need to worry. However, if you haven't complete yet your eligibility yet, please make sure to check the fact or FAQs below for assistance. So kaong hane lada ki candidates ki bala dep ya kan ka eligibility task lani ki bala dep ya transaction wat nom ki kuslai la biang tangkum to handai sunghaban check igine ki frequently asked question kerja ayu what happen if don't complete the eligibility steps your RBTC airdrop will be burned kata kamu diginu ginu gigi players di bala ada mining bro si kata re pim pendep ikne kan transaction kamu airdrop jungpi sabon no lane kinum pha and now we come to the next question. Ngini pula sakawai pada ke jingkeli nak bertajungi ki players ki bompat pendap ya ka eligibility task. I haven't complete the eligibility task. How can I do that? It is recommended to use the Tonekeeper wallet to complete this process. So sorry nak bentai ki players ki bala connect ya ka Telegram Tone Space wallet. Dari mentah hang ni ko ang ba kan kham hai phi ba pin panon kam da ka Tonekeeper wallet. So lada phila connect ya ka Tone Space wallet phile kamne transfer no ya ka to ka Tone coin jung phi saka Tonekeeper wallet nak ta sa connect ya ka ni ka Tonekeeper lada phin pa download ngan bu ya ka link hapo ka description box but download yo ne u Tonekeeper wallet apps sa sign in la ni create account phila ban complete ya ka ni ka eligibility task lung bau ni Tonekeeper hapo ka Rookie Rabbit mini game. I sent Tone multiple times. What will happen to my extra Tone? Any other payment will be refunded to the wallet you send from. So lada pila send bun to ligi ni tunes you let's say kampadiang lane kampatik kampat eligibility pisen chisen to handai kan sim betang itu 0.5 tun handai kaba tamang ta kan sa refund biang saka wallet ke jongki so wanam songo e kata wanam super wanam tingituns jongki kan sawan biang po ke wallet ke jongki kaba pisen. So I sent Tune without a memo. What should I do? You need to resend your payment with the memo. The transaction without a memo will be refunded to the sending wallet. So lada pim send ya memo lene pim put ya memo hapo ka wallet te pinumla araban yo ketika Rookie Rabbit task haban put ya ka address pat ka memo. So nakata daw make sure that your memo should based on a Rookie Rabbit mini game task. Kan mau ba ka memo pin haban paste hakapor ba pile ya gani ka transaction. I sent Tune but I'm still not eligible. So if you have sent Tune but haven't become eligible, it's possible that you either forgot to include the memo or the payment amount was less than 0.5 Tune. You will need to resend the transaction correctly with the proper memo and the required amount to ensure that it is processed. So lada pila send ni gitu rei kampriang it is still not eligible so kaong hane ba yo let's say pi duna kani ka tun lani kum ka gas fees kabik ong kada pada 0.5 ton. So nakata daw ong ipi penkre ya kanika 0.5 ton nagabenta ban eligible ba pinyo yu big airdrop jong ka Rocky Rabbit mini game. So nakata daw harangkat bat ka 0.5 ton kumjuru bat ka memo pidai ban penkre bat pidai ban base bah ya kini tilada piduna kanika 0.5 ton ru yo lese kanum pediang lene kanum eligibility. So make sure that you should have 0.5 ton on your wallet, maybe on your Telegram wallet or Tune wallet. So a bit schedule here, we'll see the schedule of this September 21st snapshot and review of activities of eligible user and airdrop distribution. So haka arpoitrik in sa check yaki data gijongi kibangi ngila use baru si kata lembaga ni ka Rocky Rabbit, but kino ki balong eligible, but kino ki bomlong eligible kin sapa ya kita ki airdrop siya ki balong eligible. September 22 airdrop distribution arpatarik kin distribute dan ikin pano ki airdrop siya man lagi account jong ki users lani ki miners. September 23 activation of withdrawal option apply tarik padengi la ban withdraw no ya uni airdrop jungi long ba Rocky Rabbit channel. So congratulations ya ki candidates kamtame ki bala join long ba ka link ka bangla ka bangala ai hapo ka description box ka jonga te kermen ba pinyo ya big airdrop but wala da piyo airdrop ibariru lene pimpat dio kamay bun menta ka season te kermen nadu ka arp saw tarik syakmat kan saplino ya ka season 2 insanang kamay kamba hakini ki season ki banangwan. So launch of trading of major exchange, unveiling the new Rocky Rabbit version and entering an exciting new world with play to earn games. So nadu ka arpo lighterik iba hadin bala de pa ya ini ki airdrop ki account jong ki users nagleng jong ka Rocky Rabbit kan sa penmi ya ka new version kata ka bedega season 2 but sanang kami lihat ba hakan ka season mo parok te wat nom ya kore wat nom ya ki kuslai tada pidon ni ngakarpat bi bapin ya share kita ki jingmut jimperkhat ki jong ki ba pidon lada pim tip kumno ban le kai lada pim tip kumno ban launch ban install. So kindly link on my Telegram channel kin sayo lot kini ki jingdon kambarok khait. So next we have, please note this is your last chance and there will be no room for complaints after this extension. So kani kadi ka last chance kaba arpo saw kanta lada pidon ni ban complain don lentishu hadin kani ka arpo saw kanta. So le kloy no menta anong ipi wat nom sim yo por le no yakini ki patay ki jonga nadu kajing kaliban kong hadu hangni ka khadu tangkatahi hilala ban eligible ya kertas hapo ka Rocky Rabbit. So congratulations session pat ki candidates perkot bala eligible ya kertas ngakermen ba pinsayo ya ubik airdrop. Good luck. Kublai shibut.